Hey friends, introducing you 2022 Ford Transit box truck with extended cab sleeper and 14 feet box. This is a truck under 10,000 pounds. GVW is 9950, so you can drive without logbooks if you have a truck like that. This particular truck has been completed for a customer. This is all we do. We build trucks for each individual customer. So we do not sell any trucks, we just build them. And you would have to go through a dealer and order a chassis from a dealer and bring it to us, and we will do the rest of work. So as you can see, this truck comes with 4 rubber duck bumpers. So bumpers on sides protect you from being damaged at the dock, and those 2 in the middle protects the lock if you're driving by a forklift. So also those doors comes with locks and keys, so you can lock each individual door separately. There is also a spot for a padlock or a seal, so you can secure your load. Also, when we open the door, as you can see, we have 2 rows of E-tracks on each wall. So the first row is about 18 inches from the floor. The other one is about 54 inches from the floor. So you can basically secure any load, whether it's tall or short, doesn't matter. Also, this trucks has internal width between each tracks of 97.25, which means that you can load 2 standard pallets 48 by 48 side by side. And having a 14 feet box allows you to fit 6 standard pallets 48 by 48 and have space for pallet jack and some extra tools you may have, like straps, blankets, spare tire, something like that. This is a very durable floor. It's a special treated wood, non-stick, non-slip. We imported from Europe. You cannot find it here, so this is kind of a unique product in the US market. Okay, let's go further. We also installed a rear lights assembly, bumper assembly, so the lights would look better on a Ford Transit. And this truck also comes with a rear camera with a huge screen in the cab. I will show it to you later. And we also installed a smaller step ladder, so you could just jump into the truck easily by holding to this handle. Those doors also come with door holders. They're over here, and when you open the door, you just secure it over here to make sure that because of the wind you will not get any damages to the truck or to yourself. Wheels covered with wheel fenders or wheel wells, whatever you call them, and the sleeper itself has a bed behind the seats, and on the outside we have extra side wings and extra 1 feet wind deflector on the top of the sleeper. Those 2 items were added for improved aerodynamics, and I'm not 100% sure what MPGs this truck will give you. It all depends on the weight you haul, on your speed you drive, on the driver's attitude, and of course on the wind direction. But we have got a lot of compliments from customers that said that their truck drove much worse, or in other words, their truck drives much better with those things after they added them. So especially with Ford being a 10-speed transmission, when the wind blows towards you, it's really hard for the truck to drive with such a big box. So the wind deflector allows you to improve your driving. So yeah, you can drive on a 10 speed with that extra spoiler, and without it, the truck would probably go down to ace gear or something like that. So two speeds down. Also, let's look inside the truck. Also, I have to show you. So this truck was provided to us by Anna Allison from 5-Star Ford of Dallas. This is one of our preferred dealerships. We worked with them for a few years, and we've done a ton of work for them. So we highly recommend those people. They will take care of you like no one else. Okay, here is the cabin side. It comes with an upgraded wide bed with a thick foam mattress. So this mattress is it's almost 5 inches, 4.5, at least 4.5 inches thickness. So really soft, and it also has a retractable folding table with some extra light here. You can just take it off, and on top of the roof there is a storage cabinet where we kept the middle part of the bed along with the middle part of the mattress. So when you just fold this table down, you take the central parts from there, put them here, and you can lay down on the flat surface and have a wonderful sleep. Also, the sleeper comes with storages underneath this piece of mattress and underneath this piece of mattress. I can show it to you here. So you have some storage over here. You also have a 12 volts outlet over here. You also have USB 2 outlets over here. You have 2 lights over here, 1 light in the center, smoke detector, and some storage on sides as well, and storage above the roof. Also, this truck comes with sunroof that you can close and open for fresh air, and because of the extra spoiler it has here, you will not get a lot of heat comes through the sunroof. So this is a really cool idea, I think, and a lot of people love it. So something like that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone or email, 612-440-0805. We open Mondays through Friday from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. Central Time. You can also contact us through Instagram or Facebook pages, or leave a comments under this video. But don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on like and share. So we would highly appreciate any feedback and help to promote our products. Again, we unfortunately do not sell those trucks. This truck is already sold to a customer. So we build all of our truck as custom built to each specific customer that calls us. All right, stay tuned. Bye.